Last year I went to Finland and I bought an RM125. The bike was in pretty bad condition, so I ended up doing entire rebuild on the bike. And since it's winter here, I also bought studded tires and put them on. I bought this dirt bike with one goal in mind: to start racing. And since it's my first dirt bike, I probably need some more gear, but I already picked up a helmet. I really like the colors of this helmet and the way it fits on my head. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about it? We need to take these tires to my mechanic because he knows a guy who will change the tires on my bike. The clip you saw earlier was filmed in future. Right now in the current moment, the tires are not changed. We got some more gear here, jersey bands, some goggles, these are really nice, chest protector, some engine parts for my bike because my bike is not done yet. We need to still put it together. Here's some other stuff. We need to bring all this stuff to my mechanic. And now the ride begins. Got more stuff on my bike. Okay guys, this is my 2005 Suzuki SV650. It's the bike that I race with. It's also my very first bike that I got last year when I was racing mid race. I broke this piece with my ass. It almost hit another racer. A lot of cool stuff will be coming to this bike. It's super nice bike. It's the bike that I learned to ride with. Yeah, my racing number is number 27.
jah, see kuradi, no tegelikult ta ikkagi.
Today is the next day. Yesterday I couldn't film much because we put together the whole bike, and right now we're moving to a track to ride fully built RM125 for the very first time. So I fell, and as you can see, little tent here. That gives us more power. That was crazy. My front tire slipped and I fell. Couldn't save it. And look at this. I don't know if you can see. Nice one. my camera died. I've been riding different sport bikes for 3 years, and also last year I started competing in the twin sport bike class. But yesterday I was riding motocross bike for the second time in my life, and overall for the first time in winter. And if you compare sport bike riding with motocross riding, motocross is much more harder. It requires so much more skill. That's my opinion. And I also know the reason why I crashed. I went in the corner with little speed and didn't give any gas at all, which caused the front tire to slide, and I crashed. And on my second ride I managed to blow my spark plug number 10, because I didn't know that you need to ride 125 two-stroke, like you're trying to blow it up. Then we changed the spark plug to number 9, and I started whipping the bike much harder, so I don't blow the second spark plug. And I also managed to crash and dent my exhaust a little bit. Yeah, that was nice. And big respect to everyone who rides motocross. It's insanely hard and requires so much skill. And next weekend I already have races, so we'll see what happens there. Now we're going to wrap it up. This is goodbye.